So apparently I've been spreading misinformation on the internet. The other day I made a video and I said that this Cadbury milk chocolate is the exact same as this baking chocolate, but this one is cheaper. Anyway, I got lots of comments saying that if you melt them, they melt different. One melts faster than the other, one is more glossier than the other. I am no chocolatier. Actually, chocolate is something that I find really hard in the baking world to master. But we're gonna melt this chocolate and this chocolate separately, spread it out in a baking tray, let it cool, and see the difference. So let's go. Okay, we're starting with the baking chocolate. Apparently this one melts the best. This is the baking chocolate melting. Here's the baking chocolate all melted. I'm just going to put some onto a tray. I'm just making some little pieces to see how it dries. And I'm also gonna do a couple strawberries. Okay, that's the baking chocolate. Let's leave that to dry. Okay, this is the normal Cadbury chocolate. I feel like it's melting maybe even better and quicker. Okay, this is the normal chocolate melted. I feel like it's a different consistency. Okay, again, we're going to pop it onto some baking paper. It looks a little more matte, I would say. Okay, let's wait for them to harden up and then I'll show you the difference. Okay, final reveal. This is the baking chocolate. This is the normal chocolate. Baking chocolate. Normal chocolate. I feel like this looks a little bit shinier and a bit nicer. And this looks a bit softer. I tried to temper it a bit, but I'm pretty sure because it's not couverture chocolate, you can't do it. I don't know too much about chocolate again. Let's test the crack. Pretty hard. Okay, here's the final verdict. I believe from a non-chocolatier perspective, I think the chocolates are relatively the same. They have the same ingredients, the same nutritional label. They're different prices, so I say get whatever one is cheaper. The baking chocolate is a lot smoother and shinier, whereas the eating chocolate's a bit softer and a bit more matte. But I think if you're just a home baker, it's kind of a muchness. That's the final verdict. I think they're very much relatively the same. Anyway, that is the meltability of the chocolate. Have the best day, guys. Bye.